Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Behance cover. So if you want something like this, all you have to do is first know the size of your Behance cover. So we're going to follow this one, and this time I will introduce to you Canva as your editing tool. So don't worry, Canva is a free editing tool. All you have to do is to just create an account. So go to any web browser, type Canva, click the very first link that you can see here, tap this one, create an account using your Google account, email or password. Once done, go to create the design, go to custom size, tap this one, and follow this size right here so you can copy and then paste and make sure it's pixels. So copy 3200, and then for the other one, you have to type it right here. Now make sure it's px and then tap on create a new design. Wait for a couple of seconds, and this is the size that we're going to insert or upload here. So go to design and feel free to look for that specific design that you want to add or you want to use for your Behance cover. You can search for anything here, but if you're just using the basic version of Canva, there are only limited designs. So I strongly suggest, if you are into editing or if you want to use Canva often, then you can upgrade your plan. So let's just select from any of the designs here. What I'm going to do if I want a specific design is I just want to drag that to the blank page. Let's just say we're going to use this one right here and then edit some of its elements and features. So tap this one. Now I'm going to change the font right here. Okay, I'm going to change the font and the word to Ellie Ramos, which is my first and last name. So I'm going to type Ali Ramos, and then below I'm going to change this with graphic design. So you have to make sure that these are the perfect way on how to create Behance cover. So project title, a visual, and so on. So you just have to read this one, and once okay, you can now go back to Canva and then continue with your editing. You can add effects. You can also delete some unnecessary and replace with new elements and designs. So you can also change the background color. And then I'm going to delete this objects right here and then change it with this one. So to make it short, I just want to let you see my final Behance cover. So once you're okay with that, then all you have to do is tap on share, click download, make sure it's PNG or JPEG. And then once done, you can now go back to your Behance, click this one, insert, upload a picture, adjust, and save. And that's how easy it is to create a Behance cover. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.